In the world of dairy farming, few things are more heartbreaking and economically damaging than watching young calves suffer from severe diarrhea caused by Cryptosporidium parvum, a resilient protozoan parasite. This silent enemy strikes fast, especially in the first weeks of life, reducing growth rates, increasing mortality risk, and challenging even the most seasoned farmers and veterinarians. But what if a simple, affordable material, already widely used in agriculture, could help? That's where hydrated lime, calcium hydroxide, steps in as a promising tool in the fight against cryptosporidiosis. Hydrated lime is a white, powdery substance commonly used to disinfect barns, stabilize soil, and reduce odor. It's known for its strong alkalinity, making it capable of neutralizing many pathogens. But recent studies suggest that it may also help manage cryptosporidiosis, not by eliminating it entirely, but by weakening its impact and giving calves a better fighting chance. A key study tested the effects of hydrated lime disinfection on dairy farms plagued by cryptosporidiosis. Conducted across 4 commercial herds with known Cryptosporidium parvum problems, researchers divided calf pens into 2 groups. One treated with hydrated lime disinfection, the other following regular cleaning procedures. Here's what they found. Calves in lime-treated pens experienced diarrhea on average at 9.0 days, compared to 7.6 days in control pens. This delay is vital. The older the calf, the stronger its immune system to handle infections. At 6 to 8 weeks of age, calves from lime-treated pens had significantly higher body condition scores, indicating improved health and weight gain. While lime didn't reduce the number of calves infected, both groups had high Cryptosporidium presence in feces. It still lessened the clinical impact, a meaningful benefit for calf survival and long-term productivity. Let's be clear, hydrated lime isn't a silver bullet. It won't eradicate cryptosporidiosis, but it can act as a valuable line of defense, slowing the parasite's progression, reducing symptoms, and supporting calf growth. Its benefits are especially useful in resource-limited settings, where costly medications and high-tech interventions may not be feasible. To make the most of hydrated lime, apply it generously to cleaned and dried pen floors, leave it in contact for at least 48 hours before housing calves, and always combine it with other key control measures: good colostrum intake, clean housing, and overall calf management. In the fight against cryptosporidiosis, dairy farmers are constantly seeking practical, cost-effective tools. Hydrated lime might just be one of them. It's not a cure, but when used smartly, it becomes a strategic ally in keeping calves healthier, stronger, and more resilient during their most vulnerable days.